Hi to all, welcome to Biochem Talks. In this video, we discuss about type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. It is otherwise called immediate hypersensitivity reaction, anaphylactic reaction, or allergy. Type 1 hypersensitivity reaction requires two doses of antigen. First dose is called sensitizing dose, second dose is called shocking dose. When allergen enters for first time, the plasma cell and base produces IgE antibody. IgE antibody binds to basophils and mast cell. IgE bound mast cell and basophil is said to be sensitized. When same allergen enters again, it binds to IgE bound mast cell and basophil. During this process, degranulation of sensitized mast cell and basophil takes place. During degranulation, pharmacologically active mediators are released, which causes vasodilation and smooth muscle contraction. During parasitic infection, these mediators are released to destroy parasite. On the other hand, when these mediators are produced in response to inappropriate antigen, it causes tissue damage. Allergens are pollen grains, animal antivenom, bivenom, certain foods, and drugs. Mechanism of hypersensitivity reaction takes place by phosphorylation, methylation, and adenylation. Phosphorylation. When allergen binds to Ig bound mast cell, the phosphorylation event takes place. It phosphorylates the membrane protein tyrosine kinase, which form inositol 3,4,5 triphosphate and diacyl glycerol. Inositol 3,4,5 triphosphate causes the leakage of calcium ion from internal organelles by creating pores in it. Diacyl glycerol activates the protein kinase C. Methylation. The phosphatidylserine is methylated to phosphatidylethylamine, which in turn methylated back to phosphatidyl to form the phosphatidylcholine by phospholipid methyltransferase 1 and 2. Phosphatidylcholine causes the entry of calcium ion into the mast cell by forming the calcium channel. The calcium ion, along with the protein tyrosine kinase, activates the mitogen activator protein kinase. Mitogen activator protein kinase increases the cytokine secretion. Phosphatidylcholine is converted to arachidonic acid and lysophosphatidylcholine by mitogen activator protein kinase. Arachidonic acid is converted to leukotriene and prostaglandin. Adenylation, it activates the adenylate cyclase. Cyclic AMP-dependent protein kinase phosphorylate granulon membrane protein, which increases the permeability of water and calcium into granules and forms Solovein granules. Solovein granulon membrane fuses with each other and releases mediators to induce allergy. Examples of type 1 hypersensitivity reaction are hay fever or otherwise called allergic rhinitis. It is inflammation in the nose. The symptoms are runny nose, sneezing, watery and swollen eyes. Factors are environmental and genetic factors. Treatment. Avoid contact with allergen treated with steroids and antihistamine drugs. And dermatitis or otherwise called eczema, inflammation in the skin. Symptoms are itching, redness and rash in the skin. The factors are environmental and genetic factors. Avoid contact with allergen, can be treated with moisturizer and steroid cream. Antihistamine drugs can be used to reduce nighttime scratches. Asthma, inflammation in the airway of lungs. Symptoms are wheezing, shortness of breath, chest tightening, and coughing. Factors are environmental and genetic factors. Drugs such as aspirin and beta blockers causes asthma. Treatment Avoid contact with allergen. Inhaled corticosteroids reduces the symptoms. Beta agonists can be used along with inhaled corticosteroids for uncontrolled asthma. Thank you.